Hi guys, my name is Oscar, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 2 quick and easy ways to create slow motion footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump right in. So let's get started. The first way to get a good slow motion footage, first of all, we're going to watch what we're trying to slow down so you can see how it looks before, and then you would see how it looks after we're done with the slow motion. So let's play it. Looks good, but it's a little bit choppy, so now we have to adjust this and get it looking the right way we want in slow motion. Okay, so I'm going to drag my selection into the timeline, and once I drag that into the timeline, I'm going to right click on it and go down to speed, stroke, duration. And since I shot in 120 frames per second, if I wanted to bring it down to the normal frame rate which I shot in, which is 24, I would just do something like 20%. 20% is fine. Or on the safe side, you do 25%. And that's it. You can see that the duration of the footage changes once I click OK, and that's fine. That just shows you that now the frame rate has been extended, and instead of having a normal 5 seconds, or instead of having a normal length clip, your clip has doubled due to you slowing it down. So let's play that back and see how it looks. Yes, that looks about right. That's the first way. We're going to go down into the project panel, select all the clips which you're going to try to slow down. Once you're in the project panel, Control A to select all the clips which you want to slow down. When you've selected all the clips which you want to slow down, make sure you don't select the sequence because that's not a clip. So I'm going to deselect this, and you right click it and go down into modify and interpret footage. So from this, you can see that the frame rate is 119, which is 120 frames per second. So we're going to click assume this frame rate and bring it down to 24 frames per second, which is the normal frame rate which we use anyway. And once you click OK, what that does is it changes all the clips in the timeline to 24 frames per second. So now you don't need to slow it down the timeline. Once you click the clip and drag it to the timeline from the project panel, it's already in slow motion. Let's look for something that shows this to us more vividly. And you can see already in slow motion, everything looks slow. So now you can speed it up to your liking, or you can just leave it as it is and cut away. And there we go. That's 2 quick and easy ways to achieve slow motion footage in Premiere Pro. If you like this sort of videos, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.